Hi friends! Welcome back to Princess Design Academy. Today, we are helping my best friend, Barbie. She has a very special royal party tonight, but her dress is totally white. Can you help me pick the most magical colors? Oh, and stay with me until the end, because I have a secret mystery color for her shoes that you've never seen before. Are you ready? Let's go! Barbie, you look so beautiful in pink. It's your favorite color, right? I'm using this super bright pink because it looks like a real princess dress. Look at these ruffles at the bottom. They are so fancy. Do you like wearing dresses, Barbie? I bet you look like a queen. Pink. Don't worry, Barbie. I have the perfect pink for your royal dress. You're going to be the star of the party. Barbie, can you help me choose the best sparkles for your flowers? I think purple will look amazing on you. Dark pink. Look at this dress, Barbie. It has so many beautiful ruffles. Do you feel like a queen wearing it? I'm adding your favorite pink now. See how it glows? You always look so pretty in pink. Barbie, this ribbon around your waist is so fancy. Should we make it purple or blue? I think purple is more royal, right? Every princess needs a matching bag. Look, Barbie, it has your initial on it. B for Barbie, and B for beautiful. I'm putting some tiny flowers here too. What do you keep inside your bag? Barbie? Is it magic lipstick? Or maybe a tiny mirror? You are the most stylish girl in the world. You are so patient, Barbie. Just a few more flowers and the dress will be perfect. Wow, Barbie, this bag is so cute. It even has your initial B on it. Is it for your magic mirror? Do you have everything you need in your purse, Barbie? Lipstick, phone, and maybe some fairy dust. Now for the best part. The shoes. Barbie, these are not just shoes. They are magic crystal slippers. I love drawing and coloring her clothes. Barbie, I have a question for you. Everyone knows you love pink, but why is it your favorite color? Is it because it's the color of magic? Yellow. I think I know why. Pink is bright, happy, and it makes everything look so sweet, like cotton candy. Do you agree, Barbie? Purple. Barbie, these flowers on your skirt look like they are dancing. Should we make each one a different shade of pink? It will look like a real garden. Is this your favorite dress for spring, Barbie? It's so light and airy. I can almost smell the flowers. Hey friends, look at Barbie's smile. She is so happy because we are using her favorite colors. Are you coloring with us? Use your pinkest crayon. Barbie, should we tell our friends a secret? To make a dress really sparkle, you need to believe in magic first. Right. Do you think Barbie should wear a crown with this outfit? Maybe a pink diamond tiara? Barbie, you are not just a doll. You are a fashion teacher. We are learning so much about style today. If you want more magic and more sparkles with Barbie and her friends, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Princess Design Academy. It helps our magic grow.
Our enchanted castle is shining so bright.
Have a wonderful, sparkly day everyone. Bye bye Barbie. See you in the next video. Sparkle on.
From royal hairstyles to a carriage of light at Princess Design Academy, you're shining bright.